on the 6th day of September 2020 at Junction area of Sophia village in Transmara, West Sub-County within Narok County, at a public gathering at the home of the late Joseph Waitakei Kipsang, used to abuse words to it,
is very volatile based on the effect of the words uttered by the accused person on the communities within the Transmara area in Mau Forest. You know, the words uttered by the accused person, who is a senior elected member of parliament, are irresponsible, and being an MP, he has a lot of influence on the ground in Narok County, with the capacity to interfere with witnesses before the hearing of this case commences.
A lot of material, so I'll reserve the ruling for the 10th of September 2020 at 12 noon. The accused will remain in custody meanwhile. Pending the ruling.
What time, Your Honor?
At 12.
12 noon.
Yes, we'll serve the